Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can update or change your profile on the Artflow website and how you can track your credits on the Artflow website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to go to the website of the Artflow. As you can see, if you want to upgrade your package, you can also do that, but you have to scroll down. And after scrolling down, you will be able to see that credits here. As you can see, I have left 96 credits. You can track your credits from here. If you want to check out your profile, you can also do that. Simply you click on the profile, and after clicking on the profile, you will be able to see your all profile details like your displayed name and your user ID and your email address. If you want to edit these informations, you can also do that. You can also upload your image here. Artflow basic plan, as you can see, if you want to check out your all plans, if you want to check out your managed plan, you can also do that. As you can see, get more credits, top up credits, buy actor, refer a friend. If you buy actor, they have also provided these packages here. If you want to refer a friend, you can also refer the friend and you will get the 50 credits. And if you want to earn money, as you can see, they have provided all the steps that how you can earn from the Artflow website. So in this way, you can manage your profile, and in this way, you can track your credits on the Artflow website. I hope you guys understand this video that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.